Honestly, what Nicola doesn't know about how to have difficult conversations isn't worth knowing. And I love the way she's designed this book, because you can see it's not really thick, and that's why it's so valuable, because she's filtered everything down into the bare essentials, and that's what you need. It's interactive. You've got space to fill in as you go through. And I love the structure of part one, where you're reflecting on yourself, part two, you're reflecting on your team members, and part three, the actual logistics of having that conversation. And at every stage, you have a summary, and you really get it because of its beautiful simplicity. As a communication coach, I know the theories that underlie all this, and she has given you a good understanding of those without blowing it out too much. So fabulous, get it, and you'll be set up for not just one, but many difficult conversations.